You are not wearing uniform today. Why, my dear?
Yes, miss. Miss, because I'm not well.
Yes, you are not looking well. So, okay. And Amna.
Hello, miss.
Hello. So, guys, yesterday you were having, are smiling. Everyone is smiling and looking good. Aman, good to see you.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam. Today, guys, we are going to start our class, and it's gonna be today again English language class, right? Okay. And yesterday we have
Yes.
learned.
Wait, I'm taking out my copy.
Okay, take out your copies along with your grammar book. Okay. So yes, very good, very good.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, my dear.
मिस आपने जो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट वाली जो एक्सरसाइज कराई थी
Yes.
उस
Yes.
क्लास में मैं थी नहीं क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरी तबीयत सही नहीं थी मुझे वोमिटिंग बहुत ज्यादा होती तो मैं उस क्लास में आई नहीं थी
Okay.
बेड
So
पे
you
थी
can see
तो
the
वो मैंने वो लेक्चर में ढूंढ रही थी वो मुझे लेक्चर मिला ही नहीं वर्चुअल क्लास का
no, you can see the virtual class. I have given the link of virtual class. Okay, guys, today we are going to start our English language class, and it's gonna be our yes, Ayan Hussain. I can see you. It's gonna be our
मिस
English
वो
language
आप
class.
मुझे
Today we are
रिकॉर्ड
going to learn past perfect tense, right? Past perfect tense, and we will do the work also, right? So I'm going to share my screen.
मिस
Past
आपकी
perfect.
आवाज बहुत कट कट के आ रही है
Okay, some internet problems is here, might be.
मिस
I
वो
am having
लेक्चर
an
आप
internet
अपलोड कर
problem.
दिएगा
Okay, sure. So guys, this
थैंक
is
यू मिस
The
my
screen is
slides.
even this.
We should start our class.
मिस
Yes. Okay, so
मिस
we should
व्हाट्सएप में तो
start
आप
our
कोशिश
class
करके
with
आज
the
ही
My
डाल
name
दीजिएगा
of
phone is
Allah.
लेक्चर
really getting out of hand these days.
Okay, we should start our class with the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful, right? So, good morning, class.
Miss, only
You can
18
see,
participants are here.
but here everything is okay, my dear. Why you not listening? Okay, now welcome to our class, and today it's going to be our English language class. And today our topic is to learn today is past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense. Can you see the slide of past perfect tense? Now, what are tenses anyway? First, we have to learn what are tenses anyway. So, let me tell you, you know very well what are tenses anyway. Tenses tell us the time of an action. When a person does an action, so how many types of tenses? Present, past,
Good
and
morning, Miss.
future. Good morning,
जी
beta.
मिस
Present, future, past.
Farhan, I can see you, Farhan. So how many types of
Okay.
tenses? Present, past and future. And each and every tense is further
पास्ट
divided
फ्यूचर
into four, right?
थ्री
Each and every tense.
Four.
What are fours? Present indefinite. If I talk about present, so present indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Can you see the slide clearly? Raise your hands,
Yes,
everyone.
Miss.
यस
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So this is four tenses. Now, let's go to past perfect tense. Okay? Structure of past perfect tense, that is so easy as you have learned the present perfect tense, and present perfect tense is having have Whereas in past perfect tense, the structure of past perfect tense is subject plus head plus V3 plus object. Okay? Subject, had. Had is a past participle of has or have. Had actually is V3 of has or have. Had is a V3. And subject plus had plus V3 plus object. You have learned V1, V2 and V3. And V3 is also called past participle, right? So, you need to remember just two things. Had V3. Had V3, right? Had V3. I can see your chat.
मिस V3
Yes,
में
my
कौन सी
name is
example है?
Nasreen Fatma. Not my name is not Nasreen Fatma. My name is Musarrat. But due to some problem, I have to log in with the ID of Nasreen Fatma, right? So today, for today only, just for today only. Okay, are you getting it? Now, have you remembered the structure of past
Yes,
perfect tense?
miss.
Subject. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Excuse me,
Had
मिस.
V3 object.
मिस ये V3 की कोई सी एग्जांपल दें.
Okay, V3 like go,
Can you give us
went,
examples?
gone, go, went, gone. See, saw,
Okay,
seen.
okay.
Seen is a V3 of see. Okay. Gone is a V3 of go.
Seen.
Okay. So these are the examples of V3. I will explain you further. Okay. Now guys, first
Okay, miss.
we will do the work and then first let me explain past perfect tense with example, right? Yes, who is this?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Yes, Alina
Yes,
Abed. Walaikum assalam, my dear. Walaikum assalam. Okay, now past perfect had plus past participle. I will appreciate if you mute yourself right now. I will give you access of unmute one by one so that you will ask any question, right? So please mute yourself. Okay, right now, please listen my lecture and try to understand. Okay, Mas, Aliza, Fizra, and Taha. So guys, past perfect tense had plus past participle. Actually, past participle is V3. Okay, Fizra? So, when do we use past perfect tense? Why do we use past perfect tense? Actually, the past perfect takes place before another past action. Means when we do any past action, before any past action, we do past perfect. Like, for example, I noticed that he had left his books behind. I noticed is past indefinite tense. Okay. First we use past indefinite, then we use he had left his books behind. Here guys, two sentences. Okay. I noticed first part of sentence is past indefinite. That is a conjunction. And then we have started the second part of the sentence that is past perfect. He had left. Left is a V3 of leave. L-E-A-V-E. Leave is a V1 and L-E-F-T is left. Left is a V3. So always we use had plus V3. Okay, Ayan? Okay, Ayan? Okay. And I have seen Rayan also. So had plus V3. This is the main structure of past perfect. And always you use subject before auxiliary verb and object. Mama Diana, I can see you, my dear. So guys, this is the structure of past perfect tense. Now take out your copy. Okay, this is your class work, guys. Okay, this is your class work. This is not your assignment. Okay, this is your class work, but you have to complete, and when you will submit your copy tomorrow, 23rd January tomorrow, so I will check this work. Okay, so write the date 22/1/21. Past, just you have to write P for past. Yes, Fizra, my dear, I'm giving you access. Yes, Fizra,
Okay.
tell me.
मिस वो जो आपकी सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब अग्रीमेंट वाली जो आपने वो जो पढ़ाया था, मतलब जिस क्लास में मैं नहीं थी, उसके अंदर सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज ए थी ना, या फिर बी भी थी इसके अंदर?
My dear, subject verb agreement on page number 43, you have to do just exercise A and bit number 1 till 5. Okay, got it? Just exercise.
1 till 5. Okay.
Yes, you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
have to
Miss,
do
but we had
exercise
done
B.
1 till 5 in class.
In assignment number, Ashar Ali, good to see you, my dear. Okay,
Yes, miss.
so this is not your assignment, this is your classwork just, right? So
Miss,
write
you
past
posted a
perfect
the last
tense.
assignment was subject and verb agreement, exercise A 1 till 5. But
Yes.
we had done exercise A 1 till 5 in class.
Class, yes, you had done. Exactly, it's good. I will check it. Okay?
Okay.
That's right, my dear, that's right. Okay? So, have you written the index right now? Mars, Khizra? Have you done?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So, now the next slide is for the work. Now, open new page. New page. Okay. Write the date. Write the date. Farhan, Ashar, Fizra. Write the date 22/1/21. Past perfect tense. Okay.
11:13.
Okay. Past perfect tense. Yes, I will appreciate. Yes, I will appreciate if you make the title page of past perfect tense. I will appreciate if you make the title page of past perfect tense.
Miss, I have done the Miss. I have
परफेक्ट टेंस
the work.
Perfect
मिस 1
tense.
मिनट के लिए इंडेक्स दिखा दें?
Okay.
देख लिया तो खुद ही बना लेना चाहिए पेज.
Yes. Look at here. Khizra, can
Yes,
you
miss.
see? Can you see the index, my dear?
मिस एक
Because you have to
थैंक यू मिस.
Okay, okay, welcome, my dear. So, make the title page or leave for one page for title page, leave one page for title page, okay?
Miss, I have made the title page.
Okay, very nice, very nice. And Tehzeeb is doing work, Tehzeeb is so busy. Okay, so have you made the title page? Now, on new page, Ashur, you have done nice content on cartoon, my favorite cartoon. Yes, past perfect tense.
Miss, have I done grade also?
Yes.
Okay.
And C work also, CW also on the red line. And on the red line, write P perfect tense, means past perfect tense. Okay. Now, the first heading is structure. Structure. You can see the structure: subject plus head plus V3 plus object. Subject plus head plus V3 plus object. This is the structure, okay?
यस मिस.
Now, next heading, examples. Have you written examples? Heading. With blue color pencil. Your work should be neat and beautiful. With beautiful handwriting. Khizra, don't look here and there. We don't have much time, beta. Now,
ओके मिस। मिस आप ये लेक्चर अपलोड करेंगी?
Yes, sure.
और मिस मुझे और एक कंफ्यूजन है
आधा अपलोड हुआ था।
आपके बाद।
No, my dear, completely I
यस
uploaded.
मिस, यस। नो मिस, वो जो हमारा आपने सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट वाला था वो आधा अपलोड हुआ था।
जी मिस आधा अपलोड
Okay,
करा है
okay.
आपने।
Let me check. Okay.
उसके ना
So,
उसके पार्ट बी के कुछ ना जो ऑप्शन है वो मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहे।
हम लोग इंडेक्स पे थे तो उसका क्या कहते हैं लेसन पूरा खत्म हो गया।
okay. And I will appreciate if you speak up in English. This is your English class, not Urdu. You are speaking Urdu. Speak English as being in English. Okay. So, one. First example, he had written a letter. Full stop. First letter should be capital. First letter should be capital.
कम करनी है। कम करनी है।
मिस मिस आपने अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिया।
यस मिस आपकी
Okay,
आवाज
okay.
नहीं आ रही।
Ashar, have you written, my dear, 5 sentences?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Fizra,
I have
Hamna.
written 4. I'm going to write 5.
Okay,
Miss, I'm done.
okay. Tehzeeb, have you written, my dear? Tehzeeb is wearing uniform.
Miss, I'm not
done.
Miss, I'm done too. Miss, I'm not done. I'm on.
Okay, okay, I'm waiting for you.
Miss, I have done all the bit number 5.
Okay. So 5 sentences you have to write, and what to do what to do next?
Miss, now we will convert them into negative and interrogative.
Exactly. Very good, Ashar. Excellent. Farhan, have you written 5 sentences, beta?
Please.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Sentences into negative.
Okay. Now, my next slide is write the date again on new page. Every page should be dated. Write the date. Write the date. Again, past perfect tense. CW. And the question is change into negative. Full stop. Change into negative. Change into negative. Have you written?
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam. Late? Who is late today?
मिस मुझे आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है।
Yes, sure.
मिस आपने जो मंडे को जो असाइनमेंट दिया था वो हमें लैंग्वेज की कॉपी में करना है।
Yes.
ओके
Miss, done.
उसका ये भी हो गया भाई।
Okay, he had not. What is the structure of negative sentence? Subject plus had plus not. We always use not just right after auxiliary verb. Here auxiliary verb is had. So we write had not plus V3 plus object as same as we have done in present perfect has not or have not. So we do had not. Subject plus had not plus V3 plus object full stop. Because this is a declarative sentence, we use full stop. Now change the negative. Change the negative. He had not written a letter. V3 will remain V3. V3 will be V3. It will not be changed. Had not V3. Had not V3. Okay? She had not given a precious gift. She had not given a precious gift. Full stop. I had not left my book in my class. Left is a V3 of leave.
Miss. Done,
I
miss.
had-
I'm not done.
हेलो मिस अस्सलाम
Yes.
वालेकुम
ये वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
मिस मिस मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है ये अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है ये काम
तुम चुप कर
We have done, okay, I tell you. We have done index. I will show you index, okay? Then we have done the page title page, past perfect tense as you always do. Okay? Okay, I'm showing you from the one page, okay? This is your index, right?
मिस
Yes.
मिस
Yes. Yes, my dear.
मिस एंड टाइटल पेज
And title page of past perfect tense. Leave the page for title
Done.
page and do this work. And now the first page is write the date, past perfect tense, CW on the red line. Ilsa, were you asking me, beta?
यस
Okay. So structure subject plus head plus V3 plus object. Then I had made them write 5 sentences. He had written a letter. Elsa, can you say it, beta? She had given a precious gift. And I had left my book in my class.
मिस नेगेटिव दिखा दें
Okay. And Elsa, you used to write your sentences yourself. You can do it.
हेलो
Okay?
मिस
Okay. Now, the next page is change into negative.
नेगेटिव दिखा दें
What? Yes. I'm showing the yes, I'm showing the slide of negative. See the
मिस नाउ आई गेट इट
yes,
वी हैव टू टर्न दीस सेंटेंसेस इनटू नेगेटिव शो
me Yes.
नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस
yes.
okay,
I'm
miss, I
showing
will
you.
get-
Please see the screen. I'm showing you. Alina Abid has done. Ishmael Khanam has done. Saad Anjum, very good.
मिस डन
Okay.
Miss done.
Aliza
Miss, I have
also
also
done. Very good. Ashar Ali, have you done, my dear? Okay. I'm not changing
I
the
have not
slide.
done.
Yes, I'm not changing. I'm waiting.
I have also done. Yes. Miss. I done, Miss.
I have done.
Miss, please. Excuse me, Miss. Please
Yes.
tell the original.
Miss, I'm not done.
Okay, I am waiting for you. 5 sentences you have to change into negative. Yes, Elsa, do you want to say something, my dear? Yes.
Yes, Miss. Please show the structure of the original past perfect tense.
Okay. Subject
Yes.
plus head
Yes.
plus V3
Yes.
Now I'm done.
plus object.
Okay.
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 Now,
Yes, I
have you all done negative sentences? Now I'm
No,
changing-
miss.
Okay.
No.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Miss.
Now,
No, Miss. No. No, Miss. No,
I
Miss.
cannot wait so more.
No, Miss. Miss, थोड़ी देर में
Okay, guys. Now, interrogative. My next slide is interrogative. Look, date. Write down the date, Farhan. Write down the date, Amna, Mas Farooq, Aliza. Write down the date. Then past perfect. Okay. Okay, okay. Write down the date and on red line again you have to write the heading. You have to write the heading. NCW. NCW.
Miss, I have done the interrogative.
Oh, very good. Change into interrogative. Write the correct spelling of interrogative and full stop because this is a statement.
Miss, I also.
Now write the structure. Head.
Miss, I also. Yes, I have
Head
completed my
plus
interrogative.
subject plus V3
And
plus
Miss
object question mark. Because we always take out auxiliary verb in interrogative sentence.
Is done.
Okay? So, had he written a letter? Question mark must be over. Don't forget to write it. Don't forget to put it. Question mark in interrogative sentences, right? Had he written a letter? And remember, V3 will not be changed. Had he written a letter? Question mark. Had she given a precious gift? Question mark. Had I left my book in my class? Question mark. Had you arrived the station? Question mark. Had they learned their lesson? Question mark. First letter should be capital in each and every sentence. Very nice, Ishmael. Very good. Ishmael, switch on your camera, my dear. Ashar is quiet. Ashar, have you done, my dear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, okay, Ishmael, I can understand. Okay, had they
Miss, I have
learned
done
their
my work.
lesson? Malaim, have you done, my dear?
I have
Okay,
completed.
Malaim, have you done?
Miss, I am also done.
Okay, Ishmael, no issue.
I am
No
also
issue.
done.
Okay.
I'm on number 3. I have done, Miss.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Thank you.
And please speak
I have
up.
done.
Speak up in English. Speak English in my class. I will appreciate because this is my English class.
I also speak in English.
Yes.
Okay.
You all people can speak English. I know very well because I have taken your class. So why don't?
Miss, I have completed negative, change into negative and change into interrogative.
Very good. Farhan, why are you yawning? Look, what happened, Farhan? Okay. Should I change the slide?
Miss, I have done.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Yes, Miss.
Hurry up. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Just 10 minutes are left and we have to do the translation also. Oh my God.
Miss, I think you should give us a translation. This is so easy. We can do it ourselves.
Yes. Now. Okay.
Miss done.
Now
Miss done.
do translate into English.
Miss Overworth is done.
Translate into English. Write a new page. Translate into English.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Write the heading on the red line. Write the heading on the red line.
Yes.
Yes, beta. translate into English? Have you written? You have to write Urdu and then you will translate into English from Urdu. So write on the red line, translate into English. And you know guys, E of English is always capital. E of English, not only English, Urdu, social studies, math, we always write with capital. So always write English with capital E. Okay? Don't do mistakes next time. Now the first sentence is हम खेल चुके थे. हम खेल चुके थे. थे is for past. The is for past. When you see, while you are making translation, while you are doing translation, when you see tha, the, thi, you could understand that the sentence is of past tense. And chuke the in past perfect, always at the end in Urdu sentence we have chuke the, चुका था, चुकी थी, लिया था, लिए थी.
Miss,
Yes, yes.
wait.
Yes, my dear.
Miss, थे का होगा they had gone. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है he had gone.
वो जा चुके थे. Yes, they had gone. They had gone. हम खेल चुके थे. We had played. We had played. वो जा चुका था. Do it था. वो जा चुका था. Or if you want to do वो जा चुके थे, then you have to write here they had gone.
A sentence. We had played.
We had played.
Spelling is wrong.
No,
Miss, spelling is
P-L-A-Y.
wrong.
My dear, P-L-A-Y-E-D.
Miss, C. They are C.
No, it's not C. It's not C. It's E. This is a printing mistake, but this is E. Look at intently.
Miss.
Please look at intently. Yes.
Yes, Miss. Yes. Okay, Miss.
वो जा चुके थे, so they had gone. If you write
Miss done.
वो जा चुका था, so you have to write he had gone. Okay? मैं पढ़ चुका था. I had. It is not read. It is read. R-E-A-D with same spelling, but pronunciation is different. So here, we will read it read. I had read. Okay? I had read.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, my dear.
Miss, I have done the translation. Can I leave my my iPad's battery is only 10%.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
मैं आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
I'm not speaking up right now.
or it is written वो चाय ले चुकी. Oh, never mind. Sorry. I thought
Where to write? Write in chat box. Write in chat. She had taken tea. वो चाय ले चुकी थी और पी चुकी थी. Okay? So she had taken tea. Sadanjum, are you doing better? You have done. Aliza, you have done.
Miss done.
Have you done, my dear Aliza? Adil?
Miss
Where is
done.
Aliza Khan today? Vania Khan, I cannot see.
Done.
Okay.
Miss done.
The last
Miss done.
sentence. See the slide, please.
done.
Okay. Stop saying done, please.
I'm not done.
Okay. Listen here. हम मिठाइयाँ नहीं खा चुके थे. This is a negative sentence. Okay? This is a negative sentence. We had not eaten sweets. Here is also E, not C. We had not eaten
Miss?
sweets. Yes,
Miss?
yes. Say.
Your voice is not clear.
Miss, your voice is not
Some
clear.
internet problem is here. Some internet. Have you done the translation? We had not eaten sweets. Full stop. Make sure every sentence will be end with full stop. Please. Okay, Hamza Zahid, what happened, beta? Hamza, what do you want to say? I'm giving you access to unmute. Please unmute yourself. Yes, Hamza.
Excuse me, miss.
Miss? मेरी वॉइस क्यों नहीं जा रही है मिस?
Yes. I am listening your voice, my dear. I am listening.
Miss?
Yes.
Miss, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I am
Miss,
listening.
where are you? Miss?
Yes.
Miss. Okay, miss.
Okay. Here I am. Okay. So have you written all translation, negative, interrogative, and then we will do more. Now here I have given some examples. Here I have given some examples. You can see on your screen some more examples I have. Okay. Okay, Mr. Abbas. Okay. Okay. So, okay guys, please. Now, examples. I have written some more examples. You can see past perfect tense. I had learned the past perfect tense. Hadn't? I had learned the past perfect tense. Had learned means had V3. Okay? The past perfect tense, when he arrived to the train station, the train had left. First sentence is of past indefinite. He arrived. Arrived is a V2. He arrived. Whereas the second sentence is of past perfect. The train had left. Can you see right now? The past perfect tense, when he arrived